Hello and welcome to the MuleBytes series presented by the Center of Excellence team at Royal Cyber. In this video, we are discussing about MuleSoft monthly release for January 2023. Here is a quick summary of 2023 releases. This release updates dependencies for API Kit for Mule 4. XML module is updated. The new release validates schema operations. New field schema content supports the direct text input of a schema. This enables you to perform schema validation. Anypoint Runtime Fabric patch is updated for both 4.4.0 and 4.3.0. Mule updated Azure Key Vault properties internal dependencies. Mule has updated Anypoint Platform command line interface. The new API governance plugin is added to apply governance rules to your APIs. Cloudhub runtime and operating system patches are updated for both versions 4.4.0 and 4.3.0. API Kit for SOAP is upgraded and this release fixes bugs and removes unused dependencies. Cloudhub 2.0 runtime and operating system patch are updated to the latest version of the underlying operating system are updated for both versions 4.4.0 and 4.3.0. MuleSoft upgraded the Anypoint Exchange. The documentation now uses more inclusive language. The product now uses more inclusive language. Exchange now includes the GraphQL API asset type. Mule has added the new features to Anypoint Platform Private Cloud Edition and now it is able to perform multiple repeated security vulnerabilities for PC components are now fixed. Multiple repeated security vulnerabilities for AMF, Design Center and mocking services are now fixed. Mule has added some new features in Cloudhub 2.0 like the Create VPN Connection Advanced Options UI has changed. The dedicated load balancer API provides previous image information after restarts or updates in Cloudhub. The API Manager is followed by these new releases. For API instances, the implementation URL and consumer endpoint fields now. Validate if the specified URL is a valid URL, support parameterization using curly braces and so on. The Anypoint Access Management is now has sections showing limits imposed by Anypoint platform. Business groups, users, teams, roles, and SAML identity providers. MuleSoft updated the API designer with a new UI for better accessibility. JSON module now provides a more detailed error response that returns an array of validation errors. Mule has upgraded the RPA Builder. The new mail session action step enables you to establish a connection to a mail server using MS Outlook and authenticate using OAuth to perform mail operations such as reading, sending, and changing emails. RPA Bot now includes a trace header in all REST requests for better traceability. This header shows in all REST calls logged in debug mode and improve the packaging process to reduce packet size and network traffic. Anypoint Partner Manager is now compatible with Mule Runtime 4.4.0. In MUnit, this release fixes bugs and upgrades some dependencies to address reported security vulnerabilities. Now, RPA Manager explicitly declares time zones if they differ from the logged user's time zone. Mule has upgraded some of the widely used connectors across Anypoint Studio like NetSuite Connector, Salesforce Connector, SAP S4HANA OData Connector, Salesforce Marketing Cloud Connector, IBM MQ Connector, JMS Connector, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central Connector, Twilio Connector, SAP Connector, Azure Key Vault Connector, Database Connector, ServiceNow Connector, and Web Service Consumer Connector. And that brings us to the end of today's topic. Thank you for watching this episode of MuleByte series. If you have any questions or need help in implementing this in your project, drop us an email at info@royalcyber.com and we would be happy to help. And do let us know what topic would you like to learn in the upcoming episodes in the comment section down below. Finally, hit the bell icon to subscribe to the channel to get more such exciting videos directly in your inbox if you haven't done yet. Thank you for watching and stay safe.